Hi, I'm Jayadev Rana from India. I've spent more than 10 years as a full-stack developer, and a lot of that work has been in booking systems for hospitals, dentists, home visit teams, staff calendars, and customer booking flows. Now, words don't really mean much on their own. So instead of just telling you what I can do, I went ahead and built you a working prototype. Because you don't just need a pretty button on a website. You need a real flow. A customer types their UK postcode, sees genuine home appointment availability, picks a time, and creates a booking inside your existing ServiceM8 system. Let me show you exactly that. Think of it like a delivery app. The customer types in their postcode, and the system instantly checks whether your team actually covers that area. Then they pick the service they need, a boiler service, a heating repair, or an electrical safety certificate. Each one already knows its own duration and its price. And straight away, real appointment windows appear every slot with a date, an assigned engineer, and a price. These are not fake buttons that go nowhere. They are real selectable booking slots. Now, behind the scenes, the real version asks ServiceM8 the important questions: which engineers are free, which jobs are already booked, how long the visit takes, and whether the postcode is inside your service area. The customer fills in their details, name, phone, email address, and any notes and books in one click. And there it is, confirmed with a clean booking reference. Here is the part that matters most for you. Every booking turns into clean, structured data, a ready-to-send ServiceM8 job request. This is exactly what would drop straight into your backend. I also built for the messy real world. If someone enters a postcode you don't cover, the system doesn't break and it doesn't dead end. It politely switches to a manual inquiry, so you still capture that lead. So here is the honest part. Right now, the data is simulated. In production, I simply swap this backend for your real ServiceM8 data, the OAuth connection, token refresh, staff calendars, job creation, and webhook sync for cancellations and reschedules. Then I adjust the services, the service areas, the staff rules, the durations, and the pricing exactly according to you, brand it around your business, test the full flow, and take it live. This demo is not just a promise, it is the starting point. I built it first so you can see exactly how I think, how I work, and how quickly we can move. Let's build it together.